Hi friend. Today, I would like to share with you about a topic of true nature. What nature means to you. Nature makes life magical. Nature matters to me because it sustains my spiritual, emotional, and physical well-being. It's a place where I can feel alive. Nature has always been a place of reflection for me, a place where I can slow down and process everything going on in my life. What is the best definition of nature? Nature is defined as the natural earth and the things on it, or the essence of a person or thing. The trees, forests, birds and animals are all an example of nature. If someone is inherently evil, this is an example of a person who has an evil nature. What is the importance of nature? Why it's important that we value nature. Our forests, rivers, oceans and soils provide us with the food we eat, the air we breathe, the water we irrigate our crops with. We also rely on them for numerous other goods and services we depend on for our health, happiness, and prosperity. What is the value of nature? Our atmosphere, forests, rivers, oceans, and soils continue to provide us with the air we breathe, the food we eat, the water we drink, and the raw materials we consume, as well as spaces for recreation and recovery. This is often described as nature's use value. Why is nature beautiful? Emerson says that nature is beautiful because it is alive, moving, reproductive. In nature we observe growth and development in living things, contrasted with the static or deteriorating state of the vast majority of that which is man-made. What nature can give us? Nature provides us with water, clean air and food, and raw materials for medicines, industry, and buildings. Our crops rely on insect pollination and the complex biological processes that create soil. Enjoying parks, landscapes, and wildlife improves our health and well-being. What is the healing power of nature? The healing power of nature recognizes the body's inherent ability to heal itself. This begins at the cellular level. The building blocks of the body cells are dynamic, living units that are constantly working towards self-repair and regeneration. For example, when your skin is cut or scraped, you start to bleed. Does nature have power? Nature does not need human beings, but humans need nature. Nature had the power to bring us into this world, and nature has the same power to bring us out. The mess made by humans may take 100,000 years to clean up, but in the scale of time, this is nothing for nature. How is Christianity related to nature? Christianity, despite claims to the contrary, upholds the independent value of natural creatures, and is committed to an ethic of responsible care and stewardship of the natural world. These values were enshrined in the Old Testament, presupposed by Jesus Christ, and assumed throughout the New Testament. What can we learn about God from nature? Our natural environment doesn't just teach us about creation in an academic sense, although it can. It leads us towards an appreciation of God's glory. It can help us nurture the fruits of the Spirit. The sense of wonder that nature sparks can inspire personal dedication to God. What are the two natures of God? That Christ's person has two natures, divine and human. Basing this Christological issue on a psychological analysis of personality, he believed that the human and divine natures were some kind of union, as between body and soul. What is the nature of God and man? God created humans to be fruitful and multiply and to populate the earth. This is the nature and one of the main purposes of humans. This refers to the idea that God created humans with the ability of creativity, meaning that humans have the ability to use this creativity to help them and others in this world. Thanks for visiting and have a wonderful day.